welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to Ironclad RC. I'm Big B. So we got the H15 15-inch hydroplane from J&R Marine. I also have the H17 out for another video, but today we're actually going to be trying to run it. I got 3 packs for it. Did some work to some of the hardware. I sharpened up my fin, had a blunt edge below the ride surface, so I got that worked out. I sharpened up the rudder. I also opened up the rudder passage there, so hopefully we get a little better water flow. Start off with, we're going to run a 28mm 1.4 TFL. Okay, I also have a few other props here. I modified this one today. That's the one we tested yesterday, slightly detongued. This one has a reduced blade area, and they're actually cut from these 2 props. These are actually 430s, 2 different style props from TFL. Same prop, just different looking, right? So I also have this 27 that I actually think is going to do great. Probably won't test the 29.6. Probably won't test this one either. These 2 probably won't be tested, right? I think that 27 may be the ticket. Okay, so let's go. I got a few different packs here. Probably just run the 650, the 1800, and we actually might just go ahead and try a 2200 with a smaller prop, because I did run into some temp issues yesterday, but we had a clogged water passage. So everything flows good now, or at least I hope it does. I did not get a chance to change out the motor. I was going to put the 4500 kV 2440 in, but we're going to run this same 3650. I didn't get a chance to do anything with that, but we will in the future. This is really like some beta testing for this hull, you know. And I was really happy with the way the boat run yesterday. I literally finished this boat build yesterday and brought it out the same day. So we got some tuning and stuff to work out on it. Need to figure out a good prop, figure out which batteries to run in it, so we know which way to go if and when we do buy batteries for it. Okay, so let's get it. Let's get a 57 ARTR versus a 27 ARTR, huh? That's the thing, right? When you run boats, right? You run small boats and large boats. You got to have a prop selection for the small boats. You got to have a prop selection for the big boats and the medium boats. Same with batteries. You got to have little batteries, big batteries, medium batteries. So you know, it's you got to keep them all up to date. The batteries anyway, because they don't last forever. Props, they last forever unless you freaking lose them, right? So I got her all taped up. Let's go. Not quite as windy today. Oh, let's go ahead and get the fishing pole. I'm probably gonna need it because I want to try to push this thing in a turn, you know, do like a full trigger turn. And usually when you're setting up or just getting a boat on the water, typically when you're trying to push it to do something, it's not going to do what you want it to do until you get her kind of dialed in. I got a setup board with me today too, so let's see. We'll probably flip her because I want to push it, you know, see what it does in a turn. We got the 28. It's a cut down 430. Full trigger, full trigger. That's the 650 milliamp 3S pack. Can't see if I got cooling coming out. I should have put the cooling on the top. Oh, we got plenty of cooling. Yeah. Wow, she is handling so good, boys. Yeah, she's hooking in a turn. She's got a little wobble there, it looks like. Let's see if I can get it close for you to see it. Well, it's hooking up though. Wide open throttle. She's sticking to the water, baby. This is a light setup here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, this is not a goose. This is not a baby goose. Y'all go on now. What are y'all doing? Get out of here, ducks. Get out of here, ducks. They're like, damn, that's the fastest goose I ever seen. Holy shit. probably discharged. Let's go ahead and put that new detongued prop, the one with the blade area reduced. So it's also, all of these props right here are 30. They're all 30 millimeters, okay? And all I did on this is, I did a lot. Detongued it and reduced the blade area here. Okay, so here is the stock prop that I cut it from. I've got like 5 of these props. Big difference. So let's see what she does real quick with this discharged battery. Kind of glad that the ducks screwed me all up so we can change props, because I didn't want to stop running it. Hell, I had her pinned the whole time, just sticking to the water. Son of a bitch, I didn't take the drive dog down. Are you freaking kidding me? I think I have a file. I usually have a file. No file, but I got some sandpaper on a board. Maybe this will work. It should work, yep. See if that does it. First try. Yep, that's one thing I do like about these little props. you can prep them up in like no time, man. A big prop, it'll take me like 4 or 5 hours to detongue it. These little ones, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. A little slower. Hooked up, boy. That's our battery. That's why it's slower. $1,800 on with this prop, and then we will go from there. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, the temps are not hot. So it was just that rudder pickup. The pickup, man, it was just, oh golly, look at there, 98, 78. Come the hell on. So with these smaller, I didn't double side tape that ESC because I'm planning on taking it out. With these smaller, any rudder, how about that? Let's say that, any freaking rudder. Check the pickup, make sure it's clean of debris, material, metal, you know, when they CNC them. Okay, let's push this up just a hair. Let's push it up just a hair. Get her running nose heavy here a little bit. Well, it's right there. It's right there, about where I run it last time with that 650. Man, that's fast. That was fast for a little 650. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get her. This thing tapes up so damn good, man. Yeah. So 1800 with the blade area reduced and detongued, 30 millimeter, 1800. I'm hoping it'll kind of pick her up a little bit, right? Okay. Plenty of coolant I can see. That's good. Pinned. Full throttle turn. Full throttle turn in the chop. Right through the wakes. Right through the wakes. Oh boy. Nice. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Like I said, you guys, you push it, watch it, see what she's doing. I'm actually running the CG a little farther forward than the last run. You know, first try than the last run, you know, just to see what it's doing, if it likes it forward or aft, right? Oh man, it was hooking up, boy. Hooking up, boy. Oh shit, I can't wait to throw that damn Oxtein 29 in here. Ooh, doggy. Ooh, doggy. So I actually want to open it up, but I really don't feel like taping it back up. So I'm not. We're going to okay, so we'll go from one extreme to the next. So we'll throw that stock 30 on. And I'll save this 27 round ear right here for last with that big 2200, right? A little heavier pack. So let's go from one extreme to the next. A stock prop. Okay. So we got the stock boy on there with the tongue. Okay. It's got the tongue on it. Like kind of, you know, an X series, if you will. Low lift. Let's see if there's any difference in the way it performs here. So, oh, I can see it's not wanting to lift it up as much. A little slower too. So this setup here is going to like a D-tongue prop. Okay, and it's wanting to wobble a little bit more in a turn. It don't like that prop. Let's do a left turn. Bad idea, B. Bad idea, B. Can we get a first try? Nope. Second try. Whoa. I'm gonna try to zoom you in. Well, that is a bad idea. All right. Yeah, I almost want to open it up and check temps with this 30. You know what? Let's run this pack out with this 30 so we can check temps, okay? Let's go ahead and run the pack out with this 30. I was going to put that D-tongued on with this pack, but we'll do it with the big boy. I'm gonna try not to flip it, that way we can get a good temp reading. Because this is the prop that will basically come with the ready to run, right? You'll have to actually get a smaller prop if you want a smaller prop. So let's just see what it does with this prop. Couple laps. You can hear it's straining the system a little bit, just a little bit. And it's probably because I have the 1800. This boat right here, I think ideal battery MAH will be somewhere in that, I don't know, 850 to maybe 1400 milliamp range, right? I think that's gonna be the ideal weight battery, 3S. She does not like to go left. You see that? I just gave it some left input, wanting to spin out a little bit. But who the hell needs to go left when you're making a turn and right? Right? This boat ain't right, this boat is right, because it ain't left. That was stupid. But let me stop. I love running new boats, man. I love it. Seeing a little build come together. Let's check her out. That cooling line was definitely stopped up for our maiden. 86. 155, 161. And it's always the front of this motor. I'm wondering if the bearing's bad on it, creating some excessive heat there. You know? It's all good. We'll do it. We'll run it. Okay, so that was with the 1800 milliamp battery, right? The 1800 milliamp pack and the stock prop. So let's go ahead and change out this stock prop real quick. What you whistling about, birdie? Oh, don't you sound like a cutie pie. All right, so okay, so let's see. So this is the one we run yesterday. It's detongued with a little bit of the blade area taken down. This is the one we're going to run right now. We've already run this one. Okay. I actually did, yes, I did work on it a little bit last night when I got home from our maiden run. So it should act a little bit better today. We're putting the big pack in. So we're just going to do let's see. Let's do 3 laps. We'll bring it back in and check temps with this prop on. And so 650, 1800, and now we're going to run the 2200. It's not much heavier than that 1800, so it should be okay. So we're starting off with the motor about at 130. Probably should give her a break. I don't even think I want to put that X-15 motor in here. I mean, I do, but then again, I kind of just want to go straight to the Oxtein setup, you know. Okay, I got her balanced just actually right on the very tip of the trailing edge. It's actually right on the tip. 2200 in. I've got that D-tongue we run yesterday, the Express prepped prop. Okay, let's go. First time I've run this pack. Oh, yeah, she's got that gangster lean to it. Let's go. Kind of a heavy pack for this boat. Let's just see what it does. Full trigger. Okay, shit. Let's bring her in here and do a turn. Oh, damn, boy. That ain't bad, you guys. Hell, I can run that right there all day long. Full turn, full lock. Oh, it did it. Nice. Full lock. Oh, I'm trying to flip it. It won't flip. Let's try it again here. Full lock. Whoa. She is hooked. Oh, boy. All right. Let's bring her in. That was wide open throttle the whole time. Not even I don't even think I let off one time. Not one. Well, actually one time when it was about to hit the hill. That was pretty nice. I don't think I'm going to open it. I should. But let's throw a smaller prop on. That was pretty good right there, man. That was actually pretty nice. This prop right here has a good shape to it. It's got a good shape to it. The one I prepped today, the one with the reduced blade area, I almost took too much blade area down. This is the one we just run. Right, so let's throw this little 27 round ear on, okay? Let's see what it does. Oh, it don't like it. Oh, she finally caught. Too small. It's loud as hell too. Why is it so loud? Okay, it didn't like that. That's too small. And it's out of balance, so I'm gonna need to re-prep this prop. Yep. Okay, so let's take that shit there off. That's raggedy as hell right there, boy. Oh, I'm in a good mood today, you guys. I am. Just got my logos finished up for the t-shirts. Finally got them done. This is the one with a lot of blade area, the very first one we run. Yeah, I got my logos finished up, so I'm going to the t-shirt company and going to try to get the logo and designs on a t-shirt and some stickers. So pretty happy today, you know. And I hope I can, because the logo guys, they gave me one price. They finished my logo and they tried getting me for another $300 to give me the files. I'm like, screw you. It's been a whole freaking ordeal, man. That's why I wanted somebody local. Detongued, blade area reduced. Yeah, that one there is a good one on here. Most of them. Oh, I like this one better, man. I don't know, that's a hard decision right there. That's kind of a hard decision to make. This one or the one we just had on it. This one right here, it actually looks like it's got a better ride attitude, but the other one seemed faster, you know? I've got some spray coming off the front of these sponsons for some damn reason. I'm gonna try to bring it by you here. Get your ass back out there. All right, I'm gonna try to zoom you in. Hopefully I can keep up with it. It's hard to keep up. So watch in between the sponsons. Yeah, oh, I didn't even have you in frame there. Yeah, it looks like I got some, you guys. I'm gonna try to get you. So I'm gonna try to, I got it. Oh, let me get it zoomed in a little bit more. Sorry, you guys, I'm all over the place here. I got some spray coming out from in front of the boat here. It's on the right side. Why the hell is it doing that? Oh! Slow mo. Oh! All right, we'll get about 2 or 3 more laps. This is a 2200. That's pretty quick, man. That's pretty quick. For a little 2440, man, that's not bad. I flipped it a while ago because I whipped it around like that. I was trying to, oh! where the hell did that limb come from? All right, let's finish up the pack. I didn't even need to put any tune on it, you know? I might change up the tune tomorrow or the next time I bring it out, right? We'll change it up because I think I want to go up with the strut a little bit. I don't know. It actually looks so damn good. I don't even see the point of putting any more tune on it. It's running so good. Thank you. Just finished the build up. It just did a barrel roll, kept going. All right, that's our battery. Let's bring her in and check temps. Whoa, 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 coming in freaking hot. Man, that's a heavy setup right here too, man. Oh, I'm very interested in these temps. Very interested in these temps. Wide open throttle with a 2200, detongued, slightly reduced blade area. Oh yeah, this one does have a little bit of the diameter reduced. How the hell does that even work out? So yeah, so you guys see that, right? 119, 192, 122, 160, no, sorry, 71, 69, 68, 121, 81, my dyslexic ass, jeez. So, okay, so my research has found a stock X430, well, TFL 430 with this 3650 and any battery I've put on it. Well, mainly we run it with this one, the lighter of the 2 packs, right? It was too much prop, okay? So what you're gonna have to do if you want to run these cheap TFL props, there's nothing wrong with them and they work perfectly fine, okay? You're gonna have to detongue it, and it's so easy. If y'all want me to do it, I'll show you in a video. It's so easy, okay? This is the one I did the blade area reduction and detonged, and it seemed like it did pretty good, and the temperatures were so cool. I couldn't really even tell a difference in speed, to be honest with you. Stock, detonged, and blade area, okay? In order to run this setup efficiently, and you're going to get a lot more runtime if you detongue it and reduce it, okay? Man, I am so tickled, man. I was like, you know, yesterday when I come out here to do my maiden, I was biting my fingernails, right? Because I wasn't sure I made the right decision putting the offset on the drive line. Now I know I made the right decision. It frees up battery placement, you know. The rudder on the left, it actually did. Oh, I need to tighten that screw up. It actually did pretty good keeping the boat down in a turn, right? I mean, hell, we were wide open throttle the whole time, and I put this fin as low as I could, outside, as far outside as I could, as low as I could. You guys see it? It's right on the outside of my ride pad, just outside of it. Maybe what I like to call here in the South a cunt hair outside the ride pad, right? Man alive, man. And I actually filed out the elongated hole where we mount the strut to the bracket, so I get more adjustability. As you can see, it's lower than the top of the bracket. Stock, it's in line with it. So this is basically the highest, or yeah, I guess the highest position. So next outing we'll actually go up with it a little bit. I think I'm done with this setup. We're gonna put the Oxtein 40 and the 29 in it for our next outing. Let's go. I'll see you guys next time. What a fun little boat. Links in the description for the boat. You gotta email Coby and he will get back to you. So check him out. Check him out. Get you one. They're easy to build, man. I built it in like a half a day, right? Well, a full day. We'll see you next time.